This is a 2017 BMW M4 with a stock exhaust, and today we are gonna install a full Akrapovic system on it.
Now they coaches, cause they can't read all his motions. How the kid never switch codes, but he code switch focus. Staring down your team with a frozen ice cold.
I'm really excited to see how much the actual exhaust weighs compared to this, because this is just nothing. I'm pretty sure this is gonna shave off a lot of weight.
Actually, I'm a top dog on a stat sheet. Off court, but I call plays for the athletes. Laughing when the cop cars try to catch me. Cause I rolled off in a taxi. With my feet up, I'm relaxing. Singing Figaro with no accent. While I pour strings from the streets in.
So this car is bone stock. The only modifications that you can find on this car are cosmetic modifications and of course the exhaust. It sounds absolutely amazing. Take a listen to this.
They know what I ain't got no time for what I respond
Not less than 4,000 RPM, bro.
If you never have, then they'll give you a reason.
Here we are. So I believe this exhaust is one of the best exhausts you can get in order to make this car sound the way that it's supposed to be. So it's not cheap, don't get me wrong. It gives you that bassy sound. It actually sounds good. Nice. It's a lot sharper than the stock competition exhaust, but it's not very loud. Really starts to get alive after 4,000 RPM. I forgot how fast the M4 goes. There's just a tone that comes with titanium exhaust that you cannot compare it with anything else. By the way, of course, as always, we are on closed roads and in Mexico. Do not try this on public roads. I believe if you do have the budget for it, just go with the Akrapovic. It's made the M4 actually sound good, which is something that I never thought would be possible. Stay tuned until the next video. We have a lot more crazy coming. See you guys in the next one. Bye.